8 hours in bed, and you feel absolutely terrible. No energy, foggy brain, heavy limbs like you barely slept at all. If this sounds familiar, the problem is not how long you are sleeping. It is the quality of sleep you are actually getting. Most people assume that hitting 8 hours automatically means good sleep, but you can spend 8 full hours in bed and get almost zero deep or restorative sleep. Without it, no amount of hours will make you feel rested. You wake up already running on empty and the day has not even started yet. Here is what is happening. Sleep is not just one state, it moves through cycles, and the most important one is deep slow-wave sleep. This is where your body repairs tissue, balances hormones, consolidates memory, and clears metabolic waste from your brain. But several things silently destroy this stage without you ever knowing. Chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated through the night, pulling you out of deep sleep repeatedly. And eating late causes your body to spend the night digesting instead of restoring. 3 things that directly protect your deep sleep. First, finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed so your body can shift fully into recovery mode. Second, manage your stress before it manages your sleep. Even 10 minutes of slow breathing or light movement in the evening lowers cortisol enough to make a real difference. Third, keep your sleep and wake times consistent every single day. Your body produces the most deep sleep when your internal clock is stable and predictable. It is not about sleeping more. It is about sleeping better. I want to know, do you sleep a full 8 hours and still wake up exhausted? Tell me in the comments. And if this explained something you have been wondering about for a long time, share this video with someone who keeps saying they just need more sleep.